Alright everybody, just got done finished putting some PMV in these guys, so everything will be kosher, you know what I mean? These guys are doing good, doing really good. Look at this little guy, there's a nice color on it. I just got done getting them off their parents, so just thought I'd make a quick video, update everybody. So next week, training time. I gotta send a couple of these guys out to a friend of mine named B-Rod. Check it out, they're almost ready. I'm just giving them their first PMV shot, so thought I'd make it kosher so when they get into the box they don't get sick. So alright guys, just thought I'd give an update.